the Prime Minister, the Chief Minister starting the road show, and the truck, I think, is just about to start moving. There are thousands of cameras which are out, fans of the Prime Minister holding his photograph on placards, flipping open their mobile camera phones to capture his image. And this, when the Prime Minister and the local candidate, also Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister, they're all on board that truck. So the road show is about to begin, Siddhant. I think it'll cross where you are in a few minutes from now. Just help us understand how many kilometers, how many stops, for how long are we expecting the Prime Minister to continue with this road show?
Well, 3 kilometers maximum, Arunima, till Lata Chowk, but it will take time because truck will move at a very slow speed so that people, those who are waiting for Prime Minister from a long time, can catch a glimpse of Prime Minister Modi. And Prime Minister is very particular where his road shows are concerned. He makes sure that everybody sees him, waves at the crowd, and there are and some places we have been told that there is Aarti also, which have been arranged by the locals here. The people from the Vyapari Samaj, trader community, akhadas, ashrams, they have made their own setup along across roads and across this route, and they are going to welcome Prime Minister. आप भी अपने पिताजी के साथ आई हुई हैं, हाँ? मोदी जी को देखने के लिए रुकी हुई हैं, हाँ? बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हैं आप, हाँ? जी,
पहली बार उनका दर्शन हो रहा है,
पहली बार उनके दर्शन, रामलला के दर्शन हो गए,
हाँ हो गया, फिर
रामलला के दर्शन पूरे फैमिली के साथ लग रहा है। बता रहे हैं कि 10 मिनट में आ जाएंगे मोदी जी, रथ पे अपने सवार हो चुके हैं, उनका जो रथ है, उनका जो कॉन्वॉय है, वो इधर की ओर बढ़ रहा है। तो क्या जब आएंगे तो क्या नारे लगाएंगे आप लोग?
जय श्री राम।
जय श्री राम। अच्छा, आप अभी नई जनरेशन है, आपके पिताजी ने तो राम टेम्पल का जो आंदोलन था वो देखा, आप नई जनरेशन है, आप कैसे रिलेट करते हैं मोदी जी से या बीजेपी से? अगर आप उनके फैन हैं, क्या उनके काम आपको अच्छे लगते हैं?
उनका काम बहुत अच्छा, सबसे अच्छा उनका काम है।
सबसे अच्छा काम है, क्या अच्छा लगता है उनके?
राम मंदिर अयोध्या का इतना अच्छा हुआ, सब खूबसूरत हो गया। बाकी हम लड़कियों के लिए बहुत कुछ किए हैं,
लड़कियों के लिए बहुत, आपको पता है उन्होंने क्या क्या किया?
अभी बहुत जानकारी नहीं, लेकिन किया बहुत कुछ है।
तो सुरक्षित अपने आप को फील करती हैं?
बहुत ज्यादा।
पहले दिक्कत लगती थी?
हम लोग को पहले घर से बाहर नहीं निकलने का था, अब है।
ऐसा था, आप पहले नहीं निकलने का? पहले नहीं देते। क्यों पहले नहीं देते थे?
अरे पहले से बहुत गुंडागर्दी हो रहा था।
गुंडागर्दी कहाँ रहने वाले? सिद्धार्थनगर है। पहले गुंडागर्दी थी, अब नहीं है। अब नहीं। अब आपको निकलने देते हैं पापा?
अब निकल आती हूँ।
अरे वाह,
जब भी घूमो, जहाँ मर्जी के जहाँ जाओ।
अच्छा,
अब कोई नहीं पूछने वाला है।
तो आप कैसे जाते हैं, मतलब बस, ट्रेन, कोई भी ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज करने जाते हैं? आप कॉलेज में हैं अभी?
नहीं, स्कूल में है।
अच्छा, अभी स्कूल में। अच्छा, 10th में। आपका बोर्ड्स है आपकी? ओके। तो अब निकलने देते हैं, अब सुरक्षित है आप बिटिया को?
हाँ, बहुत सारा भैया, बहुत।
तो ये अभी कुछ ही सालों में बदलाव आया?
हाँ, बहुत।
जब से मोदी सरकार, योगी सरकार
आई, अब नहीं डर लगता?
अब नहीं डर लगता है। अब कोई देखे वहाँ उठा के तो मार देंगे, उठाएंगे यार।
अच्छा, मार देंगे?
अब नहीं डर लगता।
अच्छा, और अगर पुलिस बुलाते तो आती है वक्त पे? ऐसा कुछ
सब सही है।
तो ये एक फैक्टर है जिसकी वजह से मोदी आपको पसंद है?
बहुत पसंद है।
ये एक फैक्टर है जिसकी वजह से
मोदी पसंद है।
मोदी योगी।
So see, Arunima, we have got the live example that how Prime Minister Modi's rule, Yogi Adityanath's regime have transformed their lives, and this is the reason that they are waiting for them in large numbers. In fact, it's quite hot here in Ayodhya temperature, but despite that they just want to catch a glimpse of Prime Minister. I was speaking to this girl. What's your name? अंजलि से मैं बात कर रहा था, तो अंजलि told me that before her father never used to allow her to go out of house at wee hours, but now the scenarios have changed. They are feeling more secured, and even Anjali feels that she feels more secured, and now she's allowed to go wherever she wants to go. This is a change that has happened in the state of UP.
Right, Siddhant, do hold on. Aman Sharma, political editor, also joining us on the broadcast. Aman, the star campaigner for the Bharatiya Janata Party. This is the third phase that we are looking at now. So, reaching the halfway mark for this long-drawn election, the star campaigner at a pitch where BJP perhaps has the most favourable conditions. Your analysis?
Well, Arunima, see, the Prime Minister right now is in Ayodhya, and the seat of Ayodhya goes to polls in about a fortnight from now. And everything that the Prime Minister Modi does, or everything about his schedule, is very carefully planned. So we saw him earlier today in the Yadav belt in Etawah, not very far from Saifai, the home village of the Yadav family, whose 4 family members are contesting from that particular belt in the phase 3, which polled in a couple of days. And now the Prime Minister is in Ayodhya. He's come here for the first time after the Pran Pratishthan ceremony when he had come here on January the 22nd. So the Prime Minister coming here holding this nearly 2 kilometer long roadshow from Sugriv Kila till the Lata Chowk. And I remember when the last time the Prime Minister was here on the Pran Pratishthan, there was a lot of speculation that the Prime Minister will actually travel this route. At that time, he did not. He arrived straight to the temple, but this time he's made it a point to hold this roadshow in Ayodhya, and the incumbent MP of Ayodhya, so Lalu Singh, is fighting again from this prestigious seat for the BJP. And overall, if we see in Uttar Pradesh, BJP sees it as a fortress of itself. Some BJP leaders I've spoken to speak about it, that like Gujarat, UP is also becoming a fortress for the BJP. Mr. Amit Shah, in an interview to News 18, said that he's confident that the BJP will increase 5 to 7 seats in UP. Presently, BJP is at about 66 seats in UP after the 2 by-poll wins, 66 out of 80. So 5 to 7 seats would mean BJP would be nearing its record mark of 73 seats, which it had hit in 2014. BJP has big hopes from UP and the double-engine Sarkar, as the BJP says. I think the best example is in UP, where not just a popular Prime Minister, but an extremely popular Chief Minister also is in the chair in Mr. Yogi Adityanath, and this good development governance model of Mr. Modi, coupled with this no-nonsense approach towards crime and a good law and order situation which has been effected in the state by CM Yogi, is acting as a very effective double engine, I would say, propping up the BJP's chances in this most populous state and the state which sends the maximum number of MPs to the Lok Sabha. BJP extremely confident, and Prime Minister's rallies and roadshows on UP are only going to increase, I am told, once the polls in Gujarat are over in a couple of days, and after once the PM will be in Varanasi, expected in Varanasi on 13th to the 14th to file his nomination and hold a big roadshow there. We will see the Prime Minister much more often in UP till the 31st of May, when the campaigning finally ends for this long phases of Lok Sabha elections, Arunima.
So, Aman, between Ram Janambhoomi Mandir and Vishwanath Mandir, is the Prime Minister only ensuring that Uttar Pradesh is firmly in BJP's pocket, or is the target far beyond other states of India as well?
See, Arunima, I think UP is a strong pitch for the BJP, especially as you say, after the Ram Temple construction is complete and the Pran Pratishthan has happened. Whatever travels I have made in UP, this is a strong factor on the ground, which transcends, I think, castes and, various communities. I think the larger Hindu astitva, the Hindu pride factor is very, very strong after the completion of the Ram Temple. And we've seen that in the record number of pilgrims which have been coming to the Ram Temple ever since it opened for public viewing on January the 23rd. So in a way, I think that that sentiment, the BJP is very confident will make it sail through in Uttar Pradesh. Yes, the Samajwadi Party is strong in certain pockets, and now Rahul Gandhi also fighting from Rai Bareli. So trying to prop up the Congress chances. SP also is in alliance with the Samajwadi Party this time. So there is I would say, a formidable alliance on the other side. But the BJP is very confident that the vote is in the name of Mr. Narendra Modi, and to make him the Prime Minister for the third time. And that sentiment perhaps is the strongest in the state of Uttar Pradesh, where the Prime Minister himself is going to fight from Varanasi. And we'll see, once the PM is in Varanasi, I think post that, we will see far more presence and far more push by the BJP in the state of Uttar Pradesh.
Right. Aman, thank you for helping us understand. As we see these pictures live from Ayodhya, the Prime Minister's roadshow has begun. On that truck is Chief